If you suffer from excessive throat clearing and want to know how to get rid of that annoying throat clearing habit of yours, then you are in the right place. In this video, I'm talking about research-based constant throat clearing treatment approaches that actually work. So, stick around. Hi and welcome back to this series of videos about constant throat clearing. If we haven't met yet, I am Katarina, I am a speech and language pathologist, and here on this channel I share tips on how to use your voice in a healthy and efficient way. So if you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel and hitting that bell notification below this video so that you get notified every time I post a new video. In my previous videos, I talked about constant throat clearing causes, underlying medical issues, and behavioral approaches. If you haven't seen these videos, you can watch them right after this one. I will link to them at the end. In this video, I want to share with you the key components of comprehensive treatment approaches that actually work. Patients who include all of these components in their therapy process are very successful. Excessive throat clearing is a complex problem. You can try and choose to do one thing or even two things, but you may not be successful because complex issues require comprehensive treatment approaches. So, here are the key components. Number one, underlying medical causes. Before trying to eliminate your throat clearing habit by yourself, you need to make sure that there are no medical underlying causes or contributing factors. The most common medical causes of throat clearing are acid reflux, postnasal drip, asthma, and allergies. Medical issues must be assessed and treated by medical professionals. So, schedule a visit and consult your doctor before trying anything else. Sometimes the cause can be very simple. For example, acid reflux that can be well managed by a few changes to your diet and lifestyle. But you will not know until you consult your doctor. Number two, behavioral approaches. I talked more about the behavioral approach in my previous video. The goal of behavioral therapy is to eliminate unwanted behaviors and develop healthy responses. This type of therapy consists of raising awareness about own behaviors, recognizing the moment when you feel the need to clear your throat, and suppressing, postponing, or changing it into a less harmful response. If you are someone who is constantly clearing throat of mucus due to a bad habit that perpetuates itself, the only way to stop it is to change the behavior, hence the behavioral approach. This part of the comprehensive treatment is hard work, but it is absolutely possible to learn how to clear your throat of mucus in a healthy way, even if you don't think it's possible, which leads me to a bonus tip. A big part of the behavioral therapy is counseling and changing the mindset of the patient. For example, learning about misconceptions and myths, or about eliminating negative thought processes and providing support. If you believe that the constant throat clearing habit is something that is happening to you and you have absolutely no control over your body, you will not be successful. Changing your mindset about what you can and cannot do is crucial. I prepared a free PDF which reveals the #1 myth that holds many people back from stopping their throat clearing behaviors. Click on this link here or link below the video and download it now. Change your mindset and stop that pesky habit. Now, moving on, number 3, respiratory-based therapy. Many people who suffer from excessive throat clearing have impaired breathing in some way. Their breathing may be shallow or laborious. They may have tension and constriction in the neck and throat areas that lead to throat irritation. Breathing exercises will teach you how to breathe deeply in a healthy way, eliminate tension from your body and negative thought processes. Because breathing forms a big part of mindfulness therapy, respiratory-based techniques positively affect not only your physiological processes but also your emotional and cognitive state. Number 4, vocal hygiene. Developing good vocal hygiene is an important component of successful therapy. It is absolutely essential to eliminate abusive vocal behaviors that could potentially lead to throat irritation. And sometimes people even don't know that they are engaging in abusive vocal behaviors. So extending your knowledge in this area is really important. Good internal and external hydration is paramount. I cannot stress enough how important it is to drink sufficient amounts of fluids and steam your voice. Steaming, which is very soothing and healing, is underutilized. Lastly, many people with throat clearing behaviors are mouth breathers, which leads to more throat irritation and dehydration. Therefore, one of the goals of comprehensive approaches is to develop nose breathing to avoid irritation and dehydration. So, these are the main components of a comprehensive approach that has worked for many patients. Now it's your turn. Where do you need to start, or what do you need to do in order to decrease the frequency of your throat clearing behaviors? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos on this topic right here so that you can start eliminating throat clearing. I will see you soon.